Look at that. It is currently 47 degrees outside at, 9:38? And my house is 68 degrees when it's normally set to 73. Ooh, it feels so good. Good morning and welcome to day one of Advent Calendar Day. And it's a perfect morning. It is nice and brisk and cool, and we're in it for about 2 weeks here at least with these cool temperatures, and I, for one, am thrilled about it. So let's go on this Advent calendar journey with day one, starting right now. Join me on this adventure. All right, I unlocked the side. Now I will tell you, I just started ripping it, realized I wasn't recording. All right, day number one. Oh my gosh. Look how ironic this is. Hot buttered rum. If you watched yesterday's video, you saw that I went to a place that was a special Christmas pop-up and I actually had hot buttered rum. So this is really ironic. Let's go make it. Got my special squirrel mug from Disney. Love that movie. And this basically describes me and my brain. Oh, it smells so good. I think I'm gonna go with some brown sugar oat milk this morning. If you guys have not been to Trader Joe's, they make some really good holiday flavors. Their gingerbread is excellent. And they also have a cinnamon one. I like flavored. Okay. I'm tasting this without any sugar, just the creamer so far, which is sweetened. Sometimes I need extra sugar, so we'll see. Oh, that is a good cup of coffee. I don't need anything else. I think I put in a little extra than I normally do, which is why I don't need the extra sugar. But, oh, that is so good. All right, we are going to open the wine just to see what kind of wine we get for the day. So stand by. All right, here we go. Number one. And it is Point Taken Cabernet Sauvignon. Let's go look it up on the app that they have that goes along with this. Actually, the website. I think it's a website. Yeah, hold on. Okay, this is the website. If you want to follow along, it is holidaymagicwines.com. So we're going to push number one. Now, I'm not going to play the video, copyright. You can play it on your own. I will play it also in a bit. But the Chilean Cabernet Sauvignon has got flavors of berry and some subtle spiciness that lingers, which I may or may not like. I like the part about the hints of dark chocolate. Now, the pairings for this one, which is ironic, which I'll explain in a second. Grilled ribeye steak, lamb kebabs with Mediterranean couscous, and the wild mushroom risotto. Now, my husband had already decided, before knowing what wine I was picking, to make a beef vegetable soup. His soups are so good. He uses his own beef broth most of the time from other stuff that he makes, and it comes out great. We usually get an extra to put in the freezer for the future. So that's what we're having tonight. So we'll see what it tastes like when I'm eating the soup. And of course, we will open the wine, open the cheese to see what cheese they've paired with this wine. I thought I'd capture some soup prep. So Evan is prepping the potatoes. He's a really good cook. Me, not so much. I'm better a baker than I am a cooking. I mean, I can cook a recipe, but he's really good at it. And then in it is going, oh, you're not using your own beef broth today?
No, don't have any.
Oh, we ran out. Okay, but normally he does take the drippings of whatever he makes and turns it into beef broth, but today we're just using the Progresso, some mixed vegetables. How much of the Worcestershire sauce goes in this?
Probably 2 tablespoons.
Okay, and we're doing diced tomatoes and then bay leaves. Any other spices? Oh yeah, black pepper.
Black pepper, seasoned salt.
Thyme, black pepper, seasoned salt. Oh, and an onion. An onion. All right, I will show you as it's cooking. V8 is also used. I get to wear my hat today. I have many of them. Never get to wear them unless I go on vacation or out west or up north. But it's cold here today, so I get to wear my hat. So anyway, we're gonna stop into Target and we are going to look for the elusive gingerbread girl. I have found the gingerbread house for myself and the gingerbread man for my stepdaughter, but I have not found the girl. And they say it's in stock, but they slowly keep putting things out. So that is what I'm looking for. Don't know if I'm gonna find it, but we're gonna try. Usually they've been down here. They do have the trees, which they've had for a while. They keep moving them around. There's trees here. Down here. These used to have pillows, not anymore. I don't know. I don't think it's looking very good. Yep, the shelf's completely empty. Nothing here. They do have the smaller ones, but I'm looking for the $5 one. This is the $3 one, and then these little ones are the $1 ones. I have the little girl and the boy of these. And then of course they still have the turkey slippers. They still have more trees over here, but yeah, there are no gingerbread. It looks like they need to restock because a lot of stuff is out. So I needed a hot beverage because my house is 68 degrees, which is much colder than the normal 73. So I decided to make a decaf Malazio. I always forget we have this espresso maker. It's in my husband's office. So I have decided to mix the gingerbread oat creamer with the brown sugar because I don't want to use this all up because it's so good. And I don't know if they're going to have it. And getting to Trader Joe's is a half hour because with all the traffic. But I just put it in the frother. Make myself a little latte. Hopefully it's sweet enough. I know that the espressos are a little strong for me. All right, I haven't mixed it up, so we'll see. Tasty, but needs a little sweetness to it. Actually, I take that back. All I did was mix it up a little bit and it took away the bitterness. So I went into my holiday bin. I just put away all my Thanksgiving stuff and fall stuff, gearing up for the holiday season. And I bought this tree at the Target, the bins in Target that I showed you earlier. And when you see something at Target, you get it when you get it, because otherwise you won't get it, if that makes any sense. You have to get it as soon as you see something you like because it's gone. So I had gotten these ornaments, and I like the fact that they're not religious. They're just candy and cakes and croissants and macarons and some coffee. So I think it's adorable. And now I didn't have any ornament holders, so I use paper clips. So I'll probably display it where you really can't see the paper clips too badly, but I thought it came out really good. So I still have to kind of figure out what to do with these candles because I have a lot of candles, but this is an Aldi find that I found it the same day, I believe, that I got the Advent Calendars. I got that. This I got last year at, I believe it was TJ Maxx. I can't remember. Someone gave this to me, and it's a candle, so I'll bring that this year. And then I just love these little birds. They're at Target. One's from this year and one's from last year. And then I have this from Aldi from last year. This is actually a card from the dollar store, and I found a frame and just framed it. Then, oh, we need to take this pumpkin away. So, let me make it fill in the spot with this cute little house. Look how cute that is. And it has, put the tea light in the back of it, and then the whole thing lights up. So it's really cute. I like it like that. And then this is the other one. This I made a few years ago. The other one is in the closet that I need to re-glue the flower onto, but it's a tea light holder or votive holder. So I made that. This I found, I believe, in Home Goods, either last year or the year before. This was given to me, don't remember from who or whatever. I've had this. This is just gonna stay up because I love it. I put new batteries in it the other day. It sparkles and lights up. Love that. And then I moved these to over the fireplace. We'll see if they stay. Right now they are sort of duct taped on. There's not a real good place to hang stuff. My Happy Hanukkah sign. Got a lot of different Hanukkah signs. Let's see that. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh yeah. And The rest of it's gonna peel off shortly. Okay, so that's not staying there. I've got to find another place for it. And we got some snow-like garland that I put up and over. The Wonderful Time of the Year, I believe that's an Aldi find. The Happy Hanukkah, this slides up. I don't remember where I found that. I've had that for a long time. I also don't spell it with a C, I spell it with an H. So yeah, and these are the bow ones that I got. I showed those a few weeks ago when I got those at Target. So yeah, those are my decorations. Oh, and I've got one prized possession. Let me show you. So 2 years ago, when I was first getting into crew life, I went to an ugly sweater party and I won one of the prizes for their ugly Christmas sweater. It was 2020. Oh, actually it was 2021. So it was 3 years ago. Most nice. So I was dressed up the nicest ugly. So I won that. That was fun. This year, no one's having ugly Christmas sweaters. So I have to find one. I know that there might be a brew bus one. So I have to look that up. Maybe we'll do that this year too. But no other parties this year for ugly Christmas sweater. They're usually a lot of fun. This has been literally cooking all day. Oh, it smells delicious. This is the soup. You can see all the vegetables and the beef. Oh, so good. I'll be having some shortly. First, it's time to see what cheese is going to be paired with tonight's Cabernet Sauvignon. Wow, looks really good this year. Okay, I gotta find number one now. It took a hot minute to find it. All right, let's see what we're pairing it with, and it is the cheddar with whiskey. Ooh, the one thing I have noticed is it looks like the cheese is getting smaller every year. Does this look smaller to you, Evan? The size of the cheese is. Remember when it was long, like double the size of this?
Yeah, I think it's the same as last year. A couple of years ago, I thought they were larger.
Yeah, they were.
But,
okay.
But I think that's the same as last year.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe it is the same as last year. All right, we're gonna pour and taste. All right, cheers. I'm gonna try the wine by itself. It's actually not bad. It's not really dry on the end. We had a Cabernet Sauvignon last night. That was the wine of the month. That was really dry at the end. This is definitely better. You want to taste yours? Not bad?
Not bad.
I'm pretty sure that I like this cheese. Now I'm going to take the wine behind it. It's better with the cheese. It's really good with the cheese. He's trying it now.
Cheese is okay.
But how do you like the pairing? Wine with the cheese.
It's good, but it doesn't stand out.
Okay. We have a different opinion. Now I want to try the beef soup with the wine and see how that is. Soup is so good. It's pretty good with the soup. Want to take a bite of my soup and then taste it with the wine?
No, good.
All right, well, that was a good pairing. I'm going to go eat my dinner and my cheese and finish the rest of this wine. I would say day one was a success. The only thing I didn't get done today is decorate the outside. That's going to have to wait till sometime this week, maybe tomorrow. We'll see how busy I get. I'm still actually working on a project that has to be sent in before 3 a.m. tonight to my client in Bulgaria. So once I'm done eating, I'm going to go back into the studio. So anyway, all right, well, stick around because we're doing this all over again tomorrow. Although tomorrow I think I'm going to go on an adventure down to Midtown, which is about 15 minutes from me. And they have a Joffrey's there that is doing a special holiday flight. I'm thinking about doing that tomorrow, so we'll see. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you can see all of the Aldi Advent. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.